So let's go through this. I'm going to go through this with a little bit more of a pace, but I'm going to point out the common mistakes that people make and how you can avoid them. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and just take a look at the question. What are we being asked to figure out, right? What are we being asked to figure out? How long will each piece be? Okay, cool. Now this question is pretty short, so how long will each piece be? Okay, how long will it be? Whatever. Let's read through the information and let's hopefully figure out what we're supposed to do. So here I see that it says a string of yarn 7 feet and 8 inches long needs to be cut into 4 equal pieces. Okay. A string of yarn this long needs to be cut into 4 equal pieces. Right there, let me highlight that. Everybody, what does it sound like is happening? We're trying to cut something up into 4 equal pieces. If we have to translate that to math, what does it sound like we're supposed to be doing? Yeah, division. Absolutely. Before we continue, just want to take a quick moment to thank you for watching this video. And all I ask is that you please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. That way more people just like you can see these videos. But on top of that, if you're looking for more ways to practice the right way and raise your score with guidance without stressing, then I really wholly 100% recommend my ASVAB All-Access Program. The program, long story short, helps you watch, practice, and master every topic, from the word knowledge to paragraph comprehension, arithmetic reasoning, math knowledge, general science. It's there and it's designed to help you succeed with practicing the right way. So, with that said, check out the link in the description to see how it all works, because you're going to have ways to learn in every way that you prefer. And you get my guidance and my support all the way until you pass. So don't hesitate. Stop feeling nervous and being anxious and letting yourself feel that way when there's a solution waiting right here for you. Check out the link in the description. That way you see how it works. And then reach out to me if you have any questions about it. Let's get back to raising our scores. Absolutely. We're dividing. And if you don't believe me, just think about it like this. If I said, hey, Coach Anderson has $75. He has $75 and he needs to divide it equally or split it up equally amongst his 25 students. We're dividing. We're dividing, right? We're seeing how many ways, if we split it up into 25 people, how many does each person get? Or how much does each person get? And that's what's happening here. So here, if we're starting with 7 feet and 8 inches of yarn, we're cutting it into 4 equal pieces. To find out how long each piece will be, we have to complete the division. Now, there's 2 ways you can look at it. One way people will try to do is 4 goes into 7 feet, 8 inches. Another way might look like this, where some people might say, 7 feet, 8 inches divided by 4. Some people try to do it like that. But here's the thing. The thing is, what you need to notice is this is a unit conversion problem. Everybody, if I divide 8 inches by 4, I get 2 inches. That's awesome. But if I divide 7 feet by 4, is that going to be clean? Is that going to be clean, my party people? No, that's not going to be clean. So here's what needs to be done. Here's the fastest way to get this done. It's going to be to, number 1, convert everything to the same unit, inches. When in doubt, make it the smaller unit so you can actually get the bigger number and divide cleanly. So step 1, convert the 7 feet and 8 inches to only inches. Then step 2, you're going to divide. And step 3, you're going to convert everything back. Convert back to feet and inches. And that's it. And that's it right there. So, with that said, everyone, how many inches are in 1 foot? How many inches are in 1 foot? 12, absolutely. So, knowing that fact, 1 foot equals 12 inches. What we are going to do is we're going to go ahead and say, hey, since we have 7 feet, everybody, 7 feet, 7 times 12 is what? 7 times 12 is what? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? 7 times 12. What is that going to be? $84. $84. A little scared it took us that long, but we got it. So yeah, it's going to be 84. So 7 feet 8 inches to only inches. 7 feet is going to be 84 inches. And we still have the 8 inches from earlier. So everyone, quick question. What's 84 inches plus 8 inches? What's that going to be? Right, that's going to be 92. I'm going to circle this in the same color. So we know that 7 feet turned into 84 inches. Then, with the 8 inches that was already there, everybody, yes or no, agree or disagree. Together now, this is going to be a total of 92 inches. 92 inches. Excellent. Sounds good. So now what we're going to do, what do we say? Well, after we converted, we're then going to divide. And once we're done dividing, then we convert it back to feet and inches. Sounds good? Let's go ahead and do it. Let's divide, step 2. I'm going to go ahead and take purple over here. And I'm going to go ahead and do 4 into 92. Well, 4 goes into 9, that's going to be twice. And then we bring that 2 down. 4 goes into 12, that's going to be 3 times. So we have 23 as the quotient, as the result when we divide. So we're going to write this down right over here. 92 divided by 4, that's going to give us 23 what? Everybody, is that 23 feet? Is that 23 feet? Yeah, 24 inches, or 23 inches, excuse me, 23 inches. 23 inches. Now that we have that, we're going to convert that back into feet and inches. Why are we converting it back? Look at the answers. Do any of those answers say 23 inches? No, they do not. So this next step is absolutely necessary. We do need to finish the conversion here. So what we're going to have, when we convert it back into feet and inches, we're going to see that we're going to do 12. Whoops. We're going to do 12. We're going to divide that into 23 to see how many groups of 12 we get. Remember, every group of 12 is a foot. So how many groups of 12 can we get? That's going to be feet. And then the remainder is going to be the leftover inches. 12 goes into 23 exactly 1 time. That's 1 foot. We take away the 12 and we got ourselves 11 remaining inches. So my final answer is 1 foot and 11 inches. And that is our final answer. Right there. 1 foot and 11 inches, making B the final answer. And as always, my party people, thanks for watching. You can subscribe with that button right there, and you can also see a link to a video just like this one right up there. But most importantly, if you want the program and you want to raise your score the right way, every step of the way with my support, there's that link at the bottom left. Go ahead, click that link, watch the video on how the program works, subscribe, and raise your score.